today I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing the waterfall hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favourite bow collection. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below which videos you think I should do next. So let's get on with the video. So we're going to be starting off like when you do a half up, half down and taking the first strands of hair. Make sure there's no flyaways or no like pieces attached to the hair that you're pulling up, like that. Because then if you're actually doing, I'm doing it on a doll, but if you're doing it on like a person, it will really hurt them. So actually we're going to do it tight instead of doing it very low. And we're just going to start putting it into a butterfly shape. So when we get down until the bottom piece, it's going to go from smallest to medium to big, like that. Oh! Lighting's falling. And then we're just going to open it through the middle like that, and we're going to grab the bobble and push that over in like that into there and just pull it through. That, and we're just going to push it through so it'll become like that, and then pull a piece of hair which you probably don't quite know. There you go. Okay, so you can see it kind of looks like a mermaid's tail in a way, and then basically we're going to do that again, but we're going to grab this piece of hair here and we're going to pull it into the pieces so it's going to be come apart, like they're going to be all attached together. If you get that. So, next bubble. This one we're going to be a bit more looser because as like I said earlier, it's going to go from smallest to biggest, and it's going to go like that and spread out. Right, okay, so we're going to be doing the same thing as we did on the last plait. We're doing it a bit looser. It's a bit easier when you do it looser because there's more of a gap for it to come through. And that is my mother screaming because the dog's there. And as you can see, it's gone a bit bigger than that, and it's a bit more looser and a bit more messier. And then we're just going to get the last pieces of hair and do the same thing. If your hair's really short, you should only do it with like 2, but it'll still look nice. So after we've done this, I'm going to move on to my bow collection. And here's the finished look. Kind of looks like a mermaid tail in a way. And now I'm going to show you some of my favourite bows.
I flex on my ex every time that she texts me. I'm looking like, hold up. Yeah! I know I'm the shit, but she say I ain't shit in my dick. Shut up. Yeah! I'm taking my new to places.
So the first bow I'm going to be doing is this. Well, let me put it in to show you first. It's a metallic bow and it's silver. It's a JoJo bow, which you can tell on the sign here. And then inside of it, it's quite soft. Like this JoJo bow is just normal material, and this one has got velvet inside, so I really like that. And it's very shiny, and when we was putting the light on it before, it was like reflecting in the camera. So moving on to number 2. This next bow is a pink coral one, and it has diamantes on. I think this one was £10 from Class Accessories, and again it is a JoJo bow. This one is a jumbo sized one, and also you can get it in smaller and medium. So now this is like, even though it's a jumbo, it looks bigger than a jumbo. That side's like very big. So this one is a mint green one, again, with diamantes. And it is a jojoba. This one was £10 again, because if you have the diamantes or if it's shiny, I think the silver one was £8 though. But all of the ones with diamantes are £10. Yeah, so this one's a jumbo one, and actually a lot of people like this one. Like, it's very popular. Bye.
Bye, Lou.
Bye. Shush. This one is a jumbo rainbow boat. And this one was £8 because it has no diamantes on, but it's really pretty how it has like the orange, the pink, the purple, the green, the blue, yellow and the orange. It's like, it makes turquoise there, if you can see. Let me put it up close. Makes like a really pretty turquoise and like a little pastel colour there. And it's a jojoba. I think this actually is an extra large, and I have to check for you. So I think the last bow that I'm going to be showing you, it isn't actually a jojoba. I got this from Blackpool, but it's a mint green one and it is so pretty, all the diamantes on it. This one's a bit more simpler, a bit more smaller and a bit more like squared. This one was, I think it was $5.99, and it was from a Blackpool store, but I kind of ruined it in a way with like brown pen. But you can't really see it, so it's not very big, and it covers most of your hair though. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and go check out my other videos. I'll put my brother's link in the description below. Bye for now.